ko maging akin ka. Di ko na makaila sa ganda mo'y nabiyag na. Sana mapansin mo din to ang aking nadarama. Nahigit pa sa kaibigan gustong maipadama. Baby, I don't wanna lose ya, I really want to be with ya. Baby, you're the one and only girl, I want to be with you. So let's end this our friendship, and can you be mine now? Cause I wanna call you my love and totally be mine.